Hello friends, this is Sugar Ray and I'm back with another video. Today I'd like to talk to you about solar powered security lights. I purchased this solar powered security light at Walmart. This light is made by the company HyperTough. HyperTough is a linkable solar LED security light that runs strictly on solar power. Now, I'm not getting paid by Walmart, nor am I getting paid by this company. Okay, I'm just a friend sharing good information with you viewers. Okay, basically this light is pretty reliable. It's LED and it has 2400 lumens, which is equivalent to 150 watts. Also, this has a detection angle of 120 degrees from left to right, detection distance of 20 feet, which is not bad for a solar powered unit. Okay, this is recently priced. It's $31 for this one unit, and it's great because it's going to help you save money. You're going to save money both on your electric bill. You're going to save money on having to hire an electrician. Why? It's very simple to mount. You don't need any kind of wiring. Okay, this is the unit itself. Very nice and neat. It's one unit. The solar panel is built in. It's not separate with a wire running between it like other units I've tried. The LEDs are right here in the bottom area, right below the solar panel. And also you have LEDs on the sides. And this is what creates that 120 degree detection angle that I mentioned earlier. Okay, this here has if you look on the other side, it's got an on and off power switch, which is covered with rubber for weatherproofing, and actually makes it water resistant. And then here you have a link switch. That link switch, once you activate that link switch, it would work along with other HyperTough motion detection lights you may have. So let's say you have 4 of these, and you turn these link switches on. Once they get signal, they program each other. So if there's motion detection on one light and this one light turns on, then the rest of the lights will follow and turn on at the same time. I think that was a pretty cool feature. But anyway, this unit comes with molded in 2 holes that are molded in for mounting, and also 2 screws if you want to put it into concrete or wherever you want to mount it. Me, I chose not to drill into my gutter because that's where I'm looking to mount these. I'm going to mount these on the gutter of my house. It's high enough, pretty nice distance, and I really don't want to drill into the gutter. So what I'm going to do is, I got this leftover piece of wood. I got a couple of these. These are ballards for stairways from a prior project that I had. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint these white so it can kind of camouflage and blend in with the gutter. And then I'm going to bolt a couple of these, screw a couple of these corner braces. And these braces will serve as hangers. So I'm going to find a way to adapt this where I could just hang my motion light on top of my gutters. Very simple. No electrician needed to be hired for this kind of work, and they can be expensive. You and I both know this. But anyway, with that being said, I'm going to let you go because I'm going to continue with this project. And when I return, hopefully it'll be sundown, of course. It'll be pitch black outside. And when I return, I will take on a quick tour on the outside, on one side of my house, where I've mounted these, so you can see how bright and how great these lights are. By the way, I got to mention to you, these lights last for 18 years with 8 hours used per day. That's fantastic. I have not seen that in any other motion detection light. Okay, so once again, we'll all see you later, and don't mind the baby in the background. That is my grandson, Aiden. He likes to hang out with me, so I'm sorry for the interruption, but you gotta love him. But anyway, let me let you go, and we'll see each other at sundown. Thanks. Okay, everybody, I'm back for a quick moment just to show you the setup I made. Here's the piece of wood I told you I was going to use to anchor my motion detector light to it, since I don't want to screw into the gutter. And these are the 2 corner brackets that I screwed onto the wood. So it's all one piece now. And all I have to do is just hang it from my gutter on the roof of the house. I just hang it like this, and there's no drilling involved. And like I said earlier in the video, no wiring. See how that's gonna hang? It's gonna hang off my gutter. And no wiring involved. You save money, no electrician needed. And I just wanted to show you once it was painted and mounted. We'll see each other later on. It's still sunny out. So when it gets pitch black outside, I'll return and show you how this works. See you all later. Well, not bad. As you can see, I mounted it on the one of the sides of the house from the girder, or the rain gutter, and not bad. I thought the piece of wood was kind of going to be an eyesore, but with painting it white, it did pretty good. Just trying to avoid drilling holes into my house. But anyway, I'm pretty happy with it. See you later on tonight when the sun goes down. We'll test it out. Okay, we're back. The sun is down, and we're at the front entrance. And I do have a porch light, but I'm not going to turn it on just to show how dark it really is here. But here we go. We're going to take a few steps forward and see how bright this motion detector is. Look at that. Work like a charm. Very, very bright. Brightens up to the mailbox, up to the street. As you could tell. Here's a quick view. That's it right there. That is super, super bright. Now I'm walking over to the other side of the house where I have another hyper tough motion detector light set up. See how dark it is over here. And let me remind you, this is not hardwired, no electrician needed. This is all solar powered motion detection. Look at that. Look at that nice big area just lighting up. Look at that. That is super, super powerful. This hyper tough should be called hyper bright. I mean, it's incredible. Look at that whole area lights up. That is fantastic. And just to think, you're saving money. It doesn't affect your monthly light bill. You don't have to pay an electrician. That is great. That whole area. Well, everybody, there you have it. Hyper Touch, Hyper Tough. It's a great light. I highly recommend it.